This is what a RUCKUS fuel sensor looks like. Now, a lot of newer motorcycles have these. What they have in the older motorcycles, what they would call is a reserve tank. And what a reserve tank is basically a petcock that has two different lengths. And the normal length, once it gets down to a certain level, then you're basically out of gas. But it doesn't have a gas meter, but it does have a half-gallon left. And you'll switch over to the smaller petcock, which is beneath the fuel, and that will tell you when to go get some more fuel. Now these newer ones have an electronic sensor, and they look something like this. They all do the same damn thing. And this one's kind of weird shape, but it does the same thing. Basically, what we have here is this. You have this slides up and down. I think it slides up and down. Maybe it doesn't slide up or down. Maybe, but I'd have to think about exactly how it works. But I know that when you're low on fuel, it shorts out, and when you can see that there's one. There's two wires. One goes to the sensor, and one goes to this other part right here. And what it could be is that when the fuel is surrounding both of them or touching both of them, then they short out or they don't short out. But I'm going to go through and take a look at this. And then, of course, you can check the resistance, which I have to do anyway. And what I like to look at is, this is a rubber seal around the inside of the tank. And you can see it's got a lot of debris right there. I want to see if there's any kind of problem where it's leaking or anything, which I don't see. You know, sometimes it's the littlest, dinkiest problem. And I'll have to get a I'm going to have to get a flashlight and look in here. And I've still got a little bit of fuel left. But I'm going to clean this out, put in some new fuel, shake it around. I'll shake out the remnants onto the towel and see if there's any problems in here. And we'll just go from there. This problem is really vexing because I'm so close. The motor works perfect. I just can't get gas to it. Either it's a relay, an $8 relay, or it's a ground, or who knows. You know, it's a real old bike, so I don't know. And then, like I said, I just signed on to totalruckus.com, something like that. And if any of you have come over and looked at these videos, they're all for free. And I'm just saying that because I know that I'm going to be on the Ruckus channel asking questions from all you experts that know more about Ruckus than I do. Since I am just working on this Ruckus for a client of mine, and my forte is the 125cc dragster racing deals. So anyway, I want to thank Total Ruckus for all their help and giving me advice. Like I said, the engine works fine, it's just not getting fuel. Alright, thank you out there, YouTube and everyone else. You have a good day.